Hey guys, this week we're going to work on addition and subtraction word problems. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to read our problem, highlight the numbers and the words that is going to tell us if we need to add or subtract. If you have to read the problem again, read it 2 times, maybe 3 times, so you can understand what the problem is saying. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. You have 7 balloons and your friend has 5 balloons. How many more balloons do you have than your friend? Okay, so the first thing you would need to do is highlight. I don't think I have a highlighter on here, so I'm going to circle. I'm going to circle in yellow. The first thing we have is 7. The next thing is 5. And it says, how many more? This is one of our keywords to what? Either add or subtract. I'm going to do this in a different color pen because it didn't show up that great. Let's do it in red. So how many more means we are going to subtract. Okay? So the next thing we need to do is we need to draw our picture. We can use our fingers to count. We can use manipulatives. We can use touch points. Remember, there are many strategies that we have learned to add or subtract. So pick a strategy and do the one that works best for you. Okay? So I am going to draw pictures. And we said this is a subtraction. So I'm going to say here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons. Okay? I'll go ahead and write my number sentence. 7 subtract 5 equals, and then we're going to find our answer. Okay? So if I have 7 and my friend has 5, how many more do I have than my friend? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many more do I have than my friend? I have 2 more than my friend does. Now remember to check our problem. We can take this number, 5, and add it to our answer. When you are subtracting first, and to check it, you do the opposite. Okay? And so 5 plus 2, 6, 7. Do we have 3 numbers that match? Yes, we do. So we know this answer is correct. Okay? Let's go ahead to the next one. 2 birds were sitting on the fence. 4 more birds came to join them. How many birds are sitting on the fence? Okay, so we have 2 birds and 4 more came to join. So join is our key word, okay? Because you're adding to something. So we had 2, 1, 2, and then we added 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and write our number sentence. 2 plus 4 equals what? All right, let's go ahead and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another way that we could count it would be 4, 5, 6. Now, when we get to bigger numbers, you're not always going to be able to draw pictures. Okay? So now we need to check our answer. And we need to make a subtraction problem over here because we have addition here. So we're going to take our biggest number first. The biggest number always goes first on subtraction. Don't is going to be a negative number, and that is going to be incorrect. Okay? So 6 subtract 4 equals what? We got 6 in our head, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 is our answer. Do all these numbers match? Yes. So we know this one is correct. All right, last one. You have 7 cookies and you ate 2 of them. How many cookies do you have left? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to circle or highlight our numbers. And we're going to find the key words in here. Left is our key word. Another one, if you only had this here, 8 would be another key word, because if you had 7 and you ate 2 of them, you don't have 2 of them left, right? Because they're gone. They're in your belly. All right, so let's go ahead and write our subtraction problem. 7 subtract 2 equals what? This time I'm not going to draw a picture. Okay? And so let's see. I got 7 in my head. Okay? 6, 5. How many cookies do I have left? 5. All right? Let's go over here and make our addition problem because we subtracted first and we don't want to check to see if we have the correct answer. Remember, addition, it doesn't matter if you have a big number first or a small number first because you are adding together. But with subtraction, the big number has to always, always, always go first. All right? So if we look at this one, we got 2 in our head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is our answer. Are all 3 of these numbers match these 3 numbers? Yes, so we know this one is correct. All right, guys, keep practicing.